Hello, this training video will be covering the relationship between the website forms and an Agile campaign and building out an Agile campaign. Exciting stuff. So one of the first things that we'll be doing is just setting up an order form. So we're going to create a new form. I'll just give a generic name of a payment form. Okay, so when we're working with payment forms, we're principally working with pricing fields. So you first need to develop your products, and then we have the opportunity to create options around them. So in this case, we're going to be offering a range of products, and you can see that they each have different prices. Another way of doing this would be to create options, which we'll explore as a second option in a moment. So let's say this is consulting, and we can put package 1, package 2, package 3. And let's just make it easy. Be 1,000, 2,000, and 4,000, 40,000. Why not? Okay. So selecting these packages has that correlating price value. We need to get a total in there, so that people can see how much they're spending, and then any other details that you may want to collect, including credit card details. So let's just save that for the moment, and we'll preview that form. Okay, now we select one of the packages, put credit card details in, click submit, and that will go off and process that using Stripe. So the second option for the development of a payment form is to create a base product. So we'll get rid of this one for the moment. Go into pricing. So let's say that a product is always going to cost a certain amount. So let's call it consulting. And so that's $2,000. I'll close that. Okay, and now we can add options to that product. So for an option set to exist, a product first needs to exist. And this is where you would add the difference in the price. So if you have a base package, then these options just become add-ons. So you'll see here that you map the options to a product, like so. Okay, we'll update that form and preview it. So once you choose one of the options, then it will calculate the total. Like so. And then they put the details in, and submit. Okay, so let's get a little bit more groovy now, and let's implement some conditional fields. So let's say that we first offer different types of product. So we'll just select the radio button here. Okay. Just for brevity, I'm going to just keep the options as first, second, and third. But let's say, oops, service type. Oh gosh, okay, so consulting, training, big hugs. Okay, so now we can go into the settings for the consulting product, and under advanced, enable conditional logic. So we only show this field if the service type is consulting. Okay, I'll update the form, and then for this field we can enable conditional logic as well. And again, if the service type is consulting, then this field will appear. And what that leaves us free to do is to ultimately build out this form as a complete service offering. So we'll go down to, we'll create a product which is Big Hugs. Let's make Big Hugs $5. And now we can mix and match the different types of displays for this. So let's say it's a, we'll do this one as a drop down. Okay. Okay, so for the second option we get a hug and a kiss, and what I'm demonstrating is that yeah, you don't need to have the same format for your products necessarily. We'll go $10. Let's just say they're the only two options. One's 5 and one is 10. We enable the conditional logic. Like so. And then just pull that product above the total line. Okay, so we preview that. Okay, so you'll see that there's no options for product until we select either consulting or Big Hugs, and then when we choose the option, it brings up the price. Obviously they fill out the credit card details and then submit. Okay, so I'll finish this video here and pick it up in the second video, which will be on how to integrate this into Agile CRM.